Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a server event for your Discord server. So currently I have admin access to this Discord server, which is something that you probably need to have in order to create a server event or at least moderator access. From here, I'm going to I click the down arrow next to the server name and then click create event. So now we're going to say where this is going to be. I'm going to say it's going to be a voice channel. I'm going to select the channel. I'm going to have this be mods only. We're going to create a mod meeting. So let's say mod meeting. Sure, today at 5 p.m. works. So that's the start date, start time. Anything with a red asterisk is going to be required. I'm going to say meeting to cover mod settings. And then you can add a cover image. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to click next. And then I can go ahead and add people to my event later on. But as you can see, I went ahead and created that event and I created it for a specific voice channel. So now we can either say that we're interested, we can share it with other people. We can start the event, we can add it to our calendars. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you create a server event in Discord. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.